Hi friends, I want to show you something. Big changes are coming in my life. I am about to move to another place. It's a beautiful place here in Upper Austria. It is an old chicken farm with a micro hydro, so I have a creek down here which we cannot see at the moment, but here is the subject of today's video. This is the new hall where I want to build my new workshop, and let's take a look what I am up to. So here I have marked the rough outlines of the new workshop. Here are the walls. There will be the walls for the toilet and the shower room. This will be the place for my kitchen, which you already know. Here will be a door, a glass door, so you can have some daylight in here and I can walk outside. There will be some kind of a deck to have my coffee breaks outside. And believe it or not, but it took me about 200 hours of very hard labor to come to this point, because the hall was completely cluttered, and actually a quarter of it minimum, if not 30%, were full of wood chips. So very dusty stuff. I had to remove all of this clutter. At the moment nothing is working, so the lights are dead and there is no electricity in the hall working. So I hodgepodged some extension cords here to have electricity, so I can do some work, obviously. Next step for me is, as I said, making the ceiling. But before I can make the ceiling, I want to make the air duct here inside, because I cannot reach inside once the ceiling is in place. Also inside the attic I want to route the dust extraction pipes and the hoses or the pipes for the radiant heaters. They will be somewhere here and here beneath the workbench. And let's take a look here inside. This is a separate room with a massive metal door, sheet metal door here, and this will be the room for the extraction system, so for my cyclone blower here, and somewhere here will be the compressor, air compressor, and maybe some shelves. So there is a thick brick wall between me and the noise here inside. So as you see, there's a lot going on in my life, and I am already moving. So I brought a lot of stuff already to this place here, and meanwhile I store all my stuff in the old milling building here. But yeah, it's a beautiful place, quiet. I'm alone, nobody lives here, and I will be the caretaker for this place in the future. And I have also a crane here and all kinds of other machinery like a forklift and a loader and 3 or 4 tractors and so on and so forth. So I'm pretty well equipped. So yeah, again guys, please apologize if you don't see videos, build projects upcoming in the near future, because I am very busy to get all the important things here done before October or November, before the winter is coming in. And yeah, I will keep you updated on the workshop build and all the other projects which are going on here on the property, as well as the micro hydro, and we have an event hall over there which I will show you in a later video, and I also will make a walk through all these buildings and the complete property. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, that's it for this one. I have a lot to do still on Sunday. And if you want to support me out here in the woods, support me by building the workshop and what I'm doing here, you can do this by clicking the like button, leave me a comment, share my channel throughout the internet. You can become a Patreon, hit the bell. There are a lot of ways to support me and my projects, and at least this big project here. Yeah, alright friends, I have to go back to work, and I say thanks for watching, and bye bye for the moment.